Hello my dear viewers, this is Usdchf webinars and you are watching EURUSD and GBPUSD technical analysis. Today is 29th of December 2021. My name is Rakesh and I am your host here. I am not a Usdchf employee, I am a Usdchf community member. Therefore, all the views or opinions or the trading ideas that I am going to discuss in this video are of my own. As the name suggests, we will be carrying out the technical analysis of the Euro against the US dollar and British Pound against the US dollar. We will also be carrying out some technical analysis of other major pairs. In this video, we will be strictly talking about the technical aspects of trading. As a technical analyst, I already know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we will try to follow only charts for our analysis. In this video, you will be only using the candlestick type of charts. If you are new to the technical analysis, I would request you to go to our channel's homepage and then select the playlist and search for the profitable candlestick patterns and the profitable chart patterns playlist. These two playlists will help you in understanding what we are talking about in this program. We'll try to find out the major levels, or you can say key levels, for all the pairs that we see. Now how we can use those levels to trade from them. These levels get updated mostly in 1 or 2 days, because once one level is broken, another level comes into the picture or another level is exposed. So we try to keep our viewers updated with the levels that are of interest. Last but not least, everything that I say in this video is for information or knowledge purpose only. You have to do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. And before I start the video, actually I want you to go through the risk disclaimer, because there is a standard risk associated with the financial markets. So please pause the video here, read this risk disclaimer completely, understand it, and then only proceed further with the video. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the dollar index, like I do it always. And dollar index, my friends, is still consolidating. Till the time the dollar index is moving between 95.49 and 96.89, it is consolidation only, because the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and we are expecting an up move further. So we are looking for a buying opportunity, and that buying opportunity can be a very good opportunity near 94.78. So I'm expecting 95.49 to break to the downside and to reach 94.78 levels, where I will be looking for a buying opportunity here. But if you ask me where is the support and resistance right now, 95.49 is still a good support and 96.89 is the resistance. The range has decreased, or you can say volatility has decreased because of the holidays maybe, but still the support and resistance remains the same for the dollar index. Talking about the EURUSD actually dipped below. Maybe we can even remove these triangles now, or make fresh line, ascending line, like this, by joining these lows here. Okay, like this. So it is still an ascending triangle, but yes, the lows are different now, and the highs are still at 1.1370. The price is right now trading at 1.1317 and has made an intraday low of 1.1273, where it found support. I will show you on the 4-hourly chart. The price dipped from here, but immediately found support at 1.1270 area, or 1.1275 area. But still, if you ask me where is the resistance, 1.1370 is still the resistance, and the price has to move almost 50 points to go there. This seems difficult because of the holidays. I don't think that it is possible today or tomorrow, but still, if we get a close higher than 1.1370, then this falling channel's resistance line will be acting as a resistance in the coming days. So it is very difficult. It is going to be very difficult for the euro to rise from here. And if it starts going downwards, then this rising trend line will be acting as a support. And if it breaches this trend line to the downside, then 1.1191 will be the next support for the EURUSD. But where are the horizontal supports and resistances? Horizontal resistance is still at 1.1370, and the support is still sitting at 1.1191 for the euro. Talking about GBPUSD, a day before yesterday we talked about the bullishness of the pound. A closing above 1.3424 has exposed the 1.3506 already, but 1.3506 has been a very important level in the past. We have discussed about that also. So I'm expecting sellers to emerge at around 1.3506 area here. So this I am going to highlight in the form of a rectangle, that this is an important level that we have to see. And also notice that if the price starts going down, then 1.3424 now will be acting as a good support for the price. So where is the horizontal support and resistance? 1.3424 is the horizontal support, and 1.3506 is now the horizontal resistance for the GBPUSD. Talking about the Australian dollar, we were expecting actually Australian dollar to go at least to 0.72373 area, which is the 50% of this fall, and also this is a very close to 0.7289. Actually, we were expecting the price to go at least to this level before it starts falling, because there will be a lot of sellers and then fall will be sharp. But no, the price fell from there yesterday, and now is taking support at 0.7221, which we have marked yesterday as the fresh support now for the Australian dollar. And if this support holds, then 0.7289 is still possible. But where is this horizontal support and resistance now? 0.7221 is the horizontal support, and 0.7289 is the horizontal resistance for the Australian dollar now. There's nothing much, no pattern forming here, but yes, if you talk about this broken channels support line which has not been tested, maybe the price is going to test this level. But seeing the bearishness of yesterday's candle, it seems less likely in the near future. Talking about the New Zealand dollar, yeah, New Zealand dollar is taking support at 0.6786 level and is now trading at around the resistance level of 0.6808. Any closing above 0.6808 will expose 0.6859, and a closing below 0.6786 will expose lower levels, which is 0.6575. Although this falling channel support line may be acting as a dynamic support for the price if it goes down from here. Talk about USD CHF went higher intraday. Okay, it went higher intraday but was sold off at the higher levels of 0.9200. That is that is actually okay. On even the 4 hour, you see that there is a bearish engulfing candle. Now this bearish engulfing candle is still having 16 minutes to go, but any closing below 0.9169 I think will expose 0.9150. Although this is not a very big range, USD CHF is moving in a very small range daily, but a closing below this 0.9150 will expose 0.9085. That will be a big move, and I'm looking for that actually. So where is the support and resistance? Right now the price is trading at the support. After this, 0.9150 is the next support. On the higher side, 0.9203 is the resistance for the USD CHF. Talking about USD JPY, USD JPY if starts going higher from here, 115.50 is going to be the resistance for USD JPY depending upon the price action, previous price action. And if it starts going below 114.84, then 114.22 is going to be the next support for this market. Anyways, if it closes a day higher than 115.50, then 118.60 is going to be the next resistance, because there is no resistance on the way there. So USD JPY, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, I think you should wait for a better pullback, so that maybe 114.22 area, because this was a good area of interest in the past. If it comes back here, then it will also be like a good channel, something like this. Maybe if you can get, okay, this is just a speculation, if you can get something like this, then that will be a good area of opportunity to go long in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I hope you understand this point. And the resistance is on 5.50, support is around 4.22 in this market. Talking about USD CAD, yesterday there was almost an inside bar. Today there was a high, then higher than yesterday, but it is not getting respected. So you can say that the price is getting rejected there. We are getting now a bearish engulfing on the 4 hour, which is suggesting that in 40 minutes, if it closes here, then the price may be going to test the day's low. Already actually the day's lows are where the price is trading right now. So where is the next low? Approximately 1.2772 area I think will be expected in this market, and if it even dips further, then it can give us a buying opportunity which we are looking for in the USD CAD, because this is a rising market right now. Okay, about the Brent I am expecting actually to go to 80.18, where there will be a lot of sellers waiting for the price to push it down, and 77.80 I am expecting it to act as a support now, because the price has been was rejected here very badly with a bearish engulfing here in the past. Then it was rejected here 3 times, then it was rejected here, so multiple times. So I'm expecting 75.62 also to act as a good price level if it starts going down. but 77.80 is also a level worth watching. So 77.80 may be acting as a good support. If it does, then 80.18 may be tested again. But if price comes to 80.18, I'm expecting a lot of sellers to jump in from here in the market and push the prices down. In case they do, then they may breach 77.80 and 75.62 as well. That is what my thought is, but this is just a speculation. Right now, if you ask me where is the support and resistance, 77.80 is the immediate support and 80.18 is the immediate resistance for the market. Euro GBP, no surprises here. Pound is getting stronger and stronger. Euro is holding at its place. So GBP against Euro is rising and Euro against GBP is falling. So 8.8383 is the area which we are looking right now. If any day closes below that, then 0.8277 area, this here will be exposed. And I think that is possible right now, because if you see that the euro is not able to go higher, but the pound is making higher highs, so that may trigger a push below 0.8383 in this market. Right now, immediate support is 0.8383 only, and the immediate resistance is 0.8425 in this market. GBP JPY very close to our mark of 154.73, which we are expecting to act as a resistance. I have already made an alert here. If the market goes to 154.73, I'll get an alert and see how good a level of interest it was in the past, here. So I'm expecting this level to be a very good area of interest today also. And if the market goes here, then we can see an immediate sell-off in this market, maybe for profit booking, or maybe even sellers can emerge to push the market down here. All right, so right now the support is very far, 152.37, and the resistance is very close, only 10 pips, that is 154.73 in this market. Talking about Chf Jpy break from the consolidation, the price is headed higher, almost at the highs of the day. Any close higher than this candle's high will expose 125.88. 125.88 is the immediate resistance. Actually, I should have drawn a resistance here also at 125.47. If we see a closing above 125.47, then only 125.88 will be exposed in this market. On the lower side, we have a support at 124.36, my friends. Euro RD. Yesterday I talked about Euro RD. Okay, that if 1.5601 holds, then it can go to 1.5747, and it is holding. Till yesterday it was like a spinning top, or you can say a doji, and today it is like a bullish pin bar. If you see on the 4-hour, you will see that this bullish candle is coming up right now. Or you can draw a small triangle here, or sorry, small rectangle here in this area. This is an area of resistance. Any closing above this rectangle will open the way to 1.5747 in the Euro RD. But right now, where is the immediate support? 1.5601 is the immediate support for the price, and 1.5747 is the immediate resistance for Euro against the Australian dollar. And in the long term also, you see that in the long term, Euro RD was going up, okay, but after breaking out from this area here, this has never tested this level, and now is the time when it is testing it. So a lot of buyers are maybe jumping in here to push the prices up. Also, this falling channel is acting as a good support for the price. So there are more reasons to go long than to go short in the euro against the Australian dollar. Euro against the New Zealand dollar is also on the similar lines, has broken out of this falling trend line and now is testing this 1.6552 area to as a fresh support. Yesterday there was an inside bar, day before yesterday there was a top, spinning top, and today also there's much indecision in the market. So I will say against Euro and New Zealand, you should stay away from this market because it is going nowhere. So where is the support? 1.6552 is the immediate support. 1.6774 is the immediate resistance for this market. Talking about the gold got rejected at the 50%, that is 1815 area, and gave us a bearish pin bar. Today there was a follow-up, nice follow-up. 1790 is where the price is trading right now. I'm not expecting any buyers to push the price higher from here, and actually I'm expecting 1753 to be tested in this market soon. So where is the resistance now? 1798 will be acting as a resistance if the price starts going up from here, and 1753 is I am expecting as the next support for the gold. On the similar lines, like silver and gold are on the similar lines. Silver also got rejected from the 50%, that is 23.39. yesterday we talked about it. In fact, I got short position in this one, but I am not supposed to tell you to go short, but yes, 23.39 was the resistance, gave us a bearish pin bar. Today there is a follow-up. 22.06 is the next support for the price. That's it. And 22.77 will be now acting as a resistance for the price if it closes any day below 22.77. There is still 8 hours and 8 minutes to go for this market. If the market closes below 22.77, it will expose 22.06 in this market, my friends. 22.06 is the immediate support, and 22.77 is the immediate resistance for the silver. Talking about the Swiss index yesterday closed a very strong 12,983.999 level and made an intraday high of 30,004. Today is an inside bar. That means there is a small indecision going on, or you can say it is a consolidation. And if the price closes any day higher than yesterday, then we have 14,284 as the next level of resistance for this market. My friends, the support is still at 12,572. Our trigger of 154.73 is triggered in the GBP JPY. The price is trading at now 154.75. All right. Now talking about the EURUSD. Yesterday we talked about, see, this is the 4-hourly chart. In the euro, we wanted to go long in the EURUSD because of this breakout, and now, okay, and we were saying that yesterday that if this channel breaks out, the price breaks out from this channel to the upside, then it will be a go-go and it will be a confirmation to go long. But would you go long here, or you will wait for the price to come back to this area to make your risk to reward ratio a better one? That is up to you, but there is still 7 minutes to go. If this candle closes higher than this previous candle's opening, then it will be a go to open buy position with the target of 1.4605 and the support of 1.4441 or a stop loss below that. I hope you understand my point here. The immediate support is 1.4441 still, and the target or the resistance is around 1.4605 in this market. Talking about Bitcoin, like I told you, Bitcoin is looking like it is going in dustbin. Any closing below 45,469 will open the way to 40,704, and for any closing below 40,705 will expose 38,795. Any closing above 48,328 will again give us a possibility of 53,575 and maybe even 57,836 also. But right now the price is consolidating. In fact, it is trading near that day's opening, but yesterday's bearish candle was so bearish that it is suggesting me that the price may go and test 45,469 again in the Bitcoin. So right now 45,469 is the immediate support for the market, and 48,328 is the immediate resistance for the Bitcoin. There's nothing much about the Bitcoin that we can talk about, and with this I will end this video. I hope you get some idea about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to never risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now with this note, I shall end this video. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Also, you can join the Usdchf Forex community. There are so many good tools for the traders there. And yeah, in the end, I wish you and your family a very happy and a profitable day. Thank you very much for watching.